Hello, fourth graders. This week in social studies, we are going to be working on something called resource maps. A resource map is a map of things found or produced in a certain area. As you can see by the picture below, I have a picture of Minnesota, and you'll notice that I have symbols that are representing some of the resources that we have here in Minnesota. You can see here that some of our resources in Minnesota are trees. We also produce corn. That's right, toilet paper. We have some wind energy. And there are some other things that we produce here in Minnesota as well. We are going to be creating a resource map of the 13 original colonies, most of which are in our very own northeast region of the United States. Today, your assignment is going to be found on Schoology in our northeast region folder. It's going to be called Mapping the Colonies. If you get it, the PDF should look just like this. Today, your job is going to be to label the 13 colonies and to draw a symbol for each product to complete the key. This is your map key. In the video today, I'm going to help you label the 13 colonies by putting their abbreviation in each one. When I've finished labeling the colonies, you can pause the video and label your colonies as well. Then, you'll need to draw a symbol for each one of the products for today. So let's get started on labeling. I know that this state up here is Maine, and the abbreviation for Maine is ME. Then, I'm going to move down to New Hampshire, NH, Vermont, VT, New York, NY. Now I've got a couple of my states over here. I've got Massachusetts, which is MA. Notice I'm writing a little bit more small because I want to make sure that I have room for some of my products. I've got Rhode Island. I'm going to draw an arrow there. I also have Connecticut, CT, New Jersey, NJ, Pennsylvania, PA. Down here I've got Maryland, MD, and then these three states down here are actually going to be studied during our southeast regions, which is next. So I'm going to put those in. This is Virginia, VA, North Carolina, NC, South Carolina, SC, and this state right here is Georgia, GA. Now that I have all of these states labeled with their abbreviations, you can pause this video and label your states with the abbreviations as well. The next step that you are going to do is you're going to focus on this map key. And the map key has a list of different products. We've got barley, corn, cotton, fishing, indigo, which is a dye that you use in clothing, iron making, lumbering, meaning trees, oats, rice, shipbuilding, tobacco, whaling, and wheat. Now, I would encourage you choose simple symbols to represent each one of these resources. So for corn, I'm just going to put a little oblong circle. That kind of looks like corn to me. Notice it's not super duper, it's not super detailed. For cotton, I'm just going to put maybe 3 circles for cotton. For fishing, I'm going to draw a simple fish. Now, you guys can choose whichever symbols you want for this mapping key. Once you've finished labeling the symbols, and the 13 colonies, you're done for today.